Good morning, this is George with Watchman German Shepherds. We have Nala's litter here at 12 days old. I had changed their bedding, and so I put them in this laundry basket, and I put them back into the whelping box with the new bedding. They don't really look like they're minding it too much, huh? So here, I'll show you them. See if we get a close-up. They've grown really significantly. I'll just take them one at a time, put them back. They're very strong. Yeah. Yeah, they're feeling all cuddly this morning. There they are, the 7, back into their little box there, the whelping box. Just another inside a week they'll open their eyes. Let me see if I can get close up. And then about that time when they open their eyes, they'll also begin to get around a lot better. Start to actually walk. See this guy here, his legs are kind of flopped out still, but they will start to stand and get more and more stable. So I'm sure it's all appropriate. They can see at about that time where they can move around a lot better. Although they're getting around pretty good. So 12 days old, they're right on target here for all that I ever see. They're growing. They're easily twice the size of what they were last week. And of course they still sleep a lot. They eat a lot. And they cuddle a lot. So, this is George with Watchman German Shepherds. Thought I'd just bring you this 12-day-old litter from Nala this morning. That's Nala in the background, yelping there for her puppies. And as usual, if you would subscribe, like, and comment, if you have any comments, I love them. And so, thank you, and God bless you. Bye.